I'm now at IMM, one of the top malls in the west side of Singapore. So let's explore this ground level or level 1 in front of the Steam Madden, where there are many of lady shoes and handbags. Then with the Havanas from Thailand, imported from Thailand, two pair for $60. That's expensive according to other countries, but if you are in Singapore, you get used to this kind of pricing. It's the Levi's. In front is many food stores. One of them is a bajang or the dumpling. Shiling, sweet snacks, Walkway. Unaga, Old Changi, Burger King, Watson. Some kind of candy fair in front, nuts, gummy brandy and plum candy. On the right side, the orange color shop is called the M1. That's where many locals come here to get their iPhones at a discounted price after signing up for a 2-year plan. There are a few more telecommunications provider, but then M1 is one of the most reliable according to my experience using with them. LAC Nutrition for Life, you can get protein powder, vitamins here. Of course, the Burger King. Then there's Giordano. One thing special about Giordano is they have like the National Day team t-shirts and polo tees. I just heard the staff say buy one get one free. Unity Pharmacy and Guardian are two of the pharmacies right here. Singapore Orchid, there's nothing being sold here. There's a Chula Lounge, Osim Massage. And then in front is one of the hypermart called Giant. It's open like until quite late during weekends, until 11 or 12, it depends. But on normal weekday, open until like 10:30. And there are more shops right here. And this sounds like a meal name. This is some of the restaurant. They have some Western food here, spaghetti and a burger. Seoul Garden hot pot. Because you guys know it's a hot pot, right? These are the menu. There's even a grab and go right now. Toast box. Very famous for their kaya and coffee and the lens cut. Converse shop. Next, you have the Pepper Grill. I think this is a new restaurant. I have not returned to IN for I think 1 year. So there are some new restaurants here. Yamaya, Ajisen, Japanese, ramen, and Din Tai Fung is popular for the xiaolong bao, Popeyes, fried chicken, and then is it tan? On my way to the second floor now. On the way there are some ATMs and a Burger King on the right side. There's a sushi shop right here, Sushi Express. Singapore Post Crocodile Outlet, QM Dental Center. Then there's a Syntex, kind of like mattress and the beds. Same for the Epitex outlet. Heading forward, in front is Skechers, shoes, Mayer, and Skechers. 4 for $60. That's selected adult shoes. Oh, that's a good deal. Then there's Ogawa massage stuff here. And IB is less well known nowadays, but they actually the weight training stuff, the treadmills, dumbbells, and exercise stuff. Then there's a Crocs outlet. Those of you who are Crocs lover, you definitely want to check this out. This is level 2 Onitsuka Tiger with their branded shoes, Pedro Fila outlet, and much more. This is Pedro. There's also Charles & Keith. They are direct competitor of the Pedro. Look at the bags and the handbags and the leather shoes. There's a Avenue outlet in the Under Armour sporting product like the shoes, the t-shirts, caps, more. Next is the Vans outlet. Also sell some kind of similar stuff here. The North Face outlet. This is more special because they actually sell the winter clothing and jacket. Next is the Puma outlet. Oh, New Balance right here. And not forgetting Adidas opposite. The view from level 2, I see the coffee bean and tea leaf. And this way it leads to the Jurong East MRT. That's where I came from. There's the Anda outlet right here. They sell sporting stuff, store-wide, some kind of discount. Then a running lab outlet, which is closed right now, but they sell shoes. The next flip-flop outlet, it sells the flip-flops. And the Alchemy outlet, we sell the mattress beds and stuff. Fila Kids outlet, this is really like striking, and look at the mascot here, Wonnie, the name. Another shop, Anda Kids. Shuzi Zanmai. Oh, there's a lot of new restaurants currently right here. White Sambawang Bai Mi Fen. Look at that, there's 60 cents. With order with any qualifying dish, the original white bee hoon for just 60 cents. Usual price $8.50. And the next one will be Seoul Garden. In the resting area right here, there's a Samsonite factory outlet and the Winter Time outlet, which actually sells lots of luggages, as you can see. But they actually close quite early, like 8:45 p.m. Oh, look at the kids' luggage. It's so like beautiful. Everbest outlet, which sells the men's leather shoes, 2 pairs for $108, which is still affordable. Look at the design, it's just so nice and beautiful. The other side is 2 pairs for $179. That's with the shoelace and more shoelace. 30%, 50% off. The same goes for the travel store outlet. They sell lots of luggages. Oh, look at that. Not only the men's shoes, but they sell the ladies' shoes here, right here. The red color one is very striking. Let's take a look at the shoes. Now the black color one. Everbest, I think it's a local company, but I think the shoes quality are getting much better and then much more beautiful, suitable for ladies between the age of 20 to even 40 years old or 50 years old. If you are brave enough to wear the shoes like this design. Hongdian wonton noodles. If there's something I like IMM more to improve, will be to open until 10 p.m. for all the shops here, not just some of the shops. Now it's just like 20 minutes past 9 p.m. and it's kind of deserted. But I'll see what we can do of the walking tour, and this like UOB service actually 60. Oh, it's actually a kind of balloons, air balloon stuff. We have OSIM on the left side, also a massage chair. And more. Challenger, we sell the laptop, electronic stuff, memory cards, power banks, cables. I think they even sell iPhones. Yeah. Now at the 3rd floor, there's a U Home interior design stuff. In front, Haidilao hot pot. I think it open until 3 a.m. in the morning. And look at the diners, happily dining. It's Haidilao. There's actually kind of food court here. Of course, it's closed, and then in front, Daiso, which is very nice products from Japan. The biggest store in Singapore. I'm inside Daiso now. They have lots of stuff from electronic to beauty products, and even the headphones. And there's a shop called Therapy, which sells more items. Right here, lovely items. Oh, what do I see? See some kind of bolsters, slippers, even sandals, earrings, accessories. Well, even boxes and handbags. There's lots of handbags here. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can watch this video. Thanks very much. I'll be cleaning now to Giants. There's a Sleep Night lifestyle mattress. Bruno Kilo. And there's a food street or food court right here. We call it the Makan Street. And this is with the waiting area for the Haididao hot pot, which is the most famous restaurant in this area. Wok Hei at level 1. Mrs. Banana, Lau Lau, yogurt. And there's a bakery called 4 Leaf. SF fruit juice, look at the amount of oranges and apples. 1989 Sri Hing. I'm inside Giant now. There's a live seafood section. Lobster and some fishes. Giant gonna close at about 11 p.m. So I just need to speed up my shopping and then pay for items. There are workers working like in the night time. I just exited IMM and this is a car park. The time now already 15 minutes past 10 p.m. It's just 10 minutes short of 11 p.m. And by the way, in front there's a shuttle bus and pickup point. Let's check out where it goes. Alright, the free shuttle bus is from IM to Jurong International Business Park, IBP in short 11:30 to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday. So they also say that you can walk to Jurong East MRT station. You can shoulder jaywalk link, which is level 2 besides New Balance outlet. So anyway, I don't think most people will take this unless they are walking. They're walking in the International Business Park. So and then there a lot of bicycle parked there. You can actually ride a bicycle here if you want to. So thanks everyone for watching the video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I would like to see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.